on, folks. Look at that. Who that is. Man, she looking good today. Just out doing a photo shoot. We was out doing a photo shoot. Popped a couple different places over in Defiance, you know what I mean? And then we popped over here, where it all began for a guy like me. I was a little kid. Out to the Vagabond Village. Because I wanted to shoot some over here, just a couple of them real quick, you know what I mean? You know, you can't zoom in from that way, but you can from there. Yeah, and the place must be closed. They must have some weird hours going on, but I still wanted to come out and at least get a couple pictures of the truck with that, you know what I mean? Because you never know what, where I'm gonna be or what I'm gonna be doing, so I figured I'd shoot some real quick. Had her all dialed up so she could be in the shoot and be my model, you know what I mean? And we got a couple pictures together, and then we got a couple pictures separate. You know, I had a tripod and shit to where I could set it up, but it was pretty cool. So I guess here's a few of them on the show, on the Chad Teagan YouTube channel show. Doing it. I went behind the
Bye.